Welcome to this class. This is benzoic acid, this is oxygen, this is carbon dioxide, and this is water, right? Okay, to balance this reaction, let me count the number of atoms. So in the left hand side, we have carbon. Look, here we have 6 carbon, plus look, here we have 1 carbon. So we are getting 7 carbon here. Then we have hydrogen, that is 5. Then we have oxygen, here 5 hydrogen plus here 1, that is 6. Then we have oxygen, that is 2. But look, here we have more 2 oxygen, so basically we are getting 4. In the right hand side we have carbon, that is 1. Then we have oxygen, that is 2, plus we have here 1 more oxygen, so totally we are getting 3. And here we have hydrogen, that is 2. So to balance this reaction means we have to balance the number of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen from both sides. Look, this oxygen may come from benzoic acid or oxygen. So if an element comes from more than 2 compounds, in that case we'll balance that element at last, right? So we'll balance the number of oxygen at last because it is coming more than 1 compounds. So okay, look, let me first balance the number of carbon. Here 7, but here 1. So to balance the carbon, what can I do? I can multiply here by 7, that gives me 7. This 7 must come before this carbon, that is here. So look, if you multiply by something, that something must come before the atom. So look, 7 times, here the number of carbon is 7, the number of oxygen will be 7 times 2, that is 14, right? So let me update the number of oxygen here, 14. So basically we are getting here 14 plus 1, that is 15 oxygen, right? Look, now our carbon 7 is balanced. We have to balance the number of hydrogen. So to balance the hydrogen, what can I do? I can multiply here by 3, that gives me 6. So these 3 must come before this hydrogen, right? Okay, so these 3 will go before here, right? If you multiply by something, that something will come before the atom. So here, look, if I place here 3, the number of hydrogen will be 6, the number of oxygen will be 6. So you have to change here, right? Because this you have to change here. Look, 3. So 3 plus 14, that is 17 oxygen, right? Okay. So look, now hydrogen 6, carbon 7, everything is balanced, but we need to balance the number of oxygen. Here 17, but here 4. Okay, look, these 2 oxygen has come from benzoic acid, and these 2 oxygen has come from oxygen. So look, oxygen, if I change here something, look, with this compound we have carbon, hydrogen, right? But here we only have oxygen, right? So it is easy for us to change here, change the coefficient. Here the coefficient is 1, so we will change here. So look, if we need to make 17, so let me write here 17, right? Okay, so now we need to change here. Look, if I multiply here by, look, if I multiply here by 15 over 2, then what will happen? Look, these two vanish each other and we'll get 2 plus 15, that is 17, right? So if I multiply here by 15 over 2, then we'll get 17. If I multiply here by 15 over 2, then this 15 over 2 will come before this oxygen atom, that is here. So let me put here 15 over 2, right? Okay, so look, this is a fraction, right? So 17 oxygen, hydrogen 6, carbon 7, everything is balanced, but this is a fraction, right? And to delete or to vanish this fraction, we can multiply we can multiply by 2. So if I multiply by 2, so here we have to put 2, then here if I multiply here by 2, then we'll get just 15. So I will get here 7 times 2, that is 14, and 3 times 2, that is 6. So look, now this is a simple this is a whole number, right? 15. At last you can change this arrow sign by equal sign for balanced equation. Actually this is not hard, right? This is easy, just you have to apply your common sense. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.